Baby bus.
It's health checkup day. Let's go.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go! This is kindergarten!
It's snack time. Let's snack together. It's time for a snack.
Okay.
Now it's time to make a craft. Let's make a little windmill. Hooray! Handcrafting time. First, cut out the decorative border for the paper cup. Spread out the paper cup. Paint the cup with a pretty color. Wow! The colors you painted are so pretty. Use a small thumbtack to secure the windmill. At last, finish it with a straw. Awesome! What a beautiful windmill you've made. School is out. Get on the baby bus and go home now.
Okay.
Take care on your way home, everyone. Goodbye. Miss May, goodbye.
Baby bus, go! Send the kids home safely one by one.
Bye, baby bus.
Bye, kids. I'll pick you up tomorrow.
Baby bus.